Hi everyone, I'm Robert from Eibach, and we're here in the damper department today, and this is our weekly recap. I've been with Eibach 11 years. My day starts off by reviewing the production schedule. I make sure that we have everything required in order to meet the production goals and make the best product for our customer. In this recap, we talk about R&D on the Hyundai Santa Cruz front-wheel drive, Jeep Gladiator, Kia EV6 GT, and Kia EV6 rear-wheel drive. We started the week by test fitting our Pro Truck lift system stage 1 with the HD springs on a 2023 Jeep Gladiator. If you didn't know, the HD spring is a preferred choice of rear spring if you're someone who likes to carry extra load such as a bed rack, camper, swing out, and spare tire. If this sounds like your vehicle, be sure to check out our website to see which vehicles these HD springs are available for. Alongside the Gladiator, we had a Hyundai Santa Cruz front-wheel drive in for a Pro Kit and a Pro Lift Kit test fit. The Santa Cruz kit requires a new rear shock in order to lower the vehicle. This is due to the factory self-leveling shocks that it came with. After lowering the vehicle, we moved on to the lift kit. The lift kit will require some more fine-tuning, so we'll update you later on. Last, the busy week is completed by test fitting our Sportline springs for the Kia EV6 GT and EV6 rear-wheel drive. We've had the Pro Kit test in the past, but this step is the final step into releasing our Sportline kit. If you've been waiting for the Pro Kit, these kits are due to release next month. This week's product feature is the Stage 2 kit for the Ford F-150 four-wheel drive. With this kit, your front is height adjustable by 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches of lift up front. The rear shocks included in this kit can accommodate a lift of 1.5 inches. For more information, visit Eibach.com. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to like and subscribe.